Here, I know it's been a minute. Haven't posted up a video. Sorry about that. But just to get you guys up to date, I got a brand new truck. Not brand new to me. I got a new to me truck. And it already broke. Less than a week and it already broke. But I'm not complaining. It still drives good. I got a 2000. Hold on. Before I show you guys, let me turn on some light because I ain't got no damn lighting in here right now. That's a little better, right? Alright. Yeah, shit. Trying for you guys not to see what it is yet. Bam! Alright. So, I got a 2000 Chevy S10 Extreme. It's a pretty clean truck. I think I got a pretty good deal on it. Got it for $1,400, and I kind of buffed it just a little bit, not too much. The whole truck used to look like how this bumper looked, and now you can see it has a nice, decent gloss to it. You know, still has some imperfections, small little dent on the fender and stuff like that. The dash have seen better days, but have a nice fresh dash right here to go in. And yeah, I am now replacing, I'm walking all over the place. I'm now replacing a power steering hose that broke on me. Damn it, really? Now I gotta walk all the way over there. You know what? YOLO. Oh, stayed, alright, cool. So, stayed. So, got a brand new power steering line for this truck. Brand new, cheap Duralast. That's all I could get right now, and I need this truck tomorrow. So, I already started taking everything apart. Took off intake piping and all that. So right now, I'm just taking off power steering line from the top. You can see all the oil here, and I cleaned it up a little bit, but there was much more oil. You can see it on the belt here and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make a mess right now, but it's cool. Yep, there goes the mess. Just hoping that this catches it. Oh yeah, I got good aim. I got good aim. Sometimes. Yeah, I'll let that drain out a bit before I remove it completely, and I'll figure out how I am going to route this hose out of here. Oh, I think I got it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that is what I'm talking about. Let me get this broke ass, broke motherfucking creeper. Look at that. I'm trying to do this with as minimal of a mess as possible. There you go. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. This engine is still kind of hot, so I need to let this cool off a bit before I actually start working out of it. And I am draining this into a clean bucket just in case if I need some oil, because I don't know if I got enough. So good thing about down here, first time I inspected this truck underneath, because I literally just bought it, didn't check anything because it ran good, so it's a little dirty. Have definitely seen better days, but it looks like they changed some steering components recently, maybe a few months ago. I don't get this. They changed the inner tie rod on both sides, right? They changed this steering arm, which I think is called a drag link, and the pitman arm is still they changed this pitman arm, but not the other one. And this outer tie rod looks somewhat replaced, maybe a few months ago, maybe a year ago. But this tie rod looks original. It makes no sense. And I do have a DeWalt grease gun, so I'm gonna be greasing all these grease points, like right there, right there, right there. Oh, where's it? Oh, there's no other ones. All right. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. Ooh, got a little broken boot on that ball joint right there. Oh, I need to replace both my ball joints. Oh yeah, you change both upper ball joints on this bad boy. No big deal though. It's a pretty clean truck. Nonetheless, has 225,000 miles, so like I said, I'm not gonna complain. It makes for a good daily. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this video now and wait till this truck cools down and keep recording on removing this hose. Well, time to say goodbye to that motor. Sold the motor. I'm gonna be taking it out in just a few. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with the chassis, because I was kind of planning on selling it, but I'm not sure. Might swap another motor in here, a different motor, and let the chassis go, even though I don't want to, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. Whew. An hour later, motor is already dropped. It's on the ground. Just need to jack up the car and slide the motor off from underneath pretty much. And yeah, I mean, now me doing this, I'm just thinking like, damn, what did I do, man? My Civic is no longer running. This really makes me not want to sell this car, but if somebody comes with cash money to take this thing. If not, I'm gonna still be working on it in the meantime. Probably gonna be cleaning up the engine bay and all that good stuff, so yeah, stay tuned. So the motor's out of the hatch. Now it's just gonna be basically sitting back here in the back of the shop till I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So that little time lapse I did, the traction bar. This is, you know, how it was. I ain't got much lighting, but this is how it turned out. You can kind of see the difference there. Yeah, it's a hatch, and this video is basically gonna continue on too, because my last clip that you saw was from me putting power steering line on this, and I kind of stopped the video because my camera died. And did the power steering line, didn't have no leaks, no oil leaks or anything. And after the next day, found some more oil on the floor and found the power steering pump started leaking. So I replaced the power steering pump on this thing, and yeah, that's where I left off pretty much. Now there's no more oil leaks on this truck, and yeah, it's gonna basically be a work truck for me. Gonna be doing detailing out of here, you know, picking up parts. Have the engine from the Civic right here, back here right now. Yeah, this basically just gonna be a work truck. Try to make my money back on what I paid for it. So yeah. So I'm basically gonna end the video here. I didn't really do too much, you know, since this whole virus thing been happening. So I ain't really got much to film or anything like that. So since I was taking the motor out of this right here, I figured why not make a short little video and post it up, since I haven't really posted anything in a while. So, oh, another thing, when I got the truck, got this air compressor with it. So, you know, since I got that air compressor, you guys are probably gonna see videos of me painting stuff and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy my channel, enjoy this video, hit like and subscribe. See you on the next one.